Hi, my childcare leaders. Today we are going to talk about something that I believe most childcare owners are struggling with, which is selling yourself. I know when I first started my daycare, it was hard for me to let this parent know how much is it, because I knew it was a lot. In my mind, during that time, I thought it was a lot. So it keeps us very shy or very nervous when we're going to say the price. But what you need to understand is that selling is something that we do every single day. I just started to train my staff when it comes to selling because I realized it's very important as a whole in the daycare as well as with your management team and yourself. So let's dive right in. So number one, you have to be confident in your service. You know you have the best daycare out there. You know what you guys provide. So the amount that you charge is definitely worth it. So know that. Let your team know that and feel it within yourself. Once you know that for a fact and you can let the client, the prospect know how beautiful and wonderful your childcare is and why it costs as much as it costs, you are not going to have a problem with selling because you know you're number one. So it's all about number one, confidence. Gain that confidence, trust yourself, trust your business, and know that you are the best when it comes to childcare in your area. Let's go to the next one. Number two, train. If you don't feel so confident when it comes to selling yourself, selling your business, then take some trainings. Have your staff take trainings because this is important. Right now, currently, I'm doing the training for Grant Cardone. It is amazing. It gives you more confidence and it also helps your staff understand why they are important when it comes to training and sales. A lot of people are thinking, I'm not a salesperson, I'm a teacher. It matters because when we're doing this tour, we need you to be on point. We need you to be talking to the parent, acknowledge them, smile with the kid. All that is part of the sale, of you locking in that child that day. So it takes a team to be able to lock in a child. If you don't have a team, then you need to train so you can build a confidence within yourself. We need to realize that basically selling is just persuading. We do this every day. So for example, your husband might want Chinese food. You might want seafood. You have to basically persuade your husband that the seafood is the best choice. So what are you doing? You actually just sold him on getting seafood. So you have to think of it like that. We do this every day. We just don't realize it. But selling is actually a normal thing. And actually what they say is that most businesses fail because of income. The only reason why you fail because of income is because you're not selling fast enough to gain the children into your daycare. And then what happens is that you end up failing. You end up not getting enough money because you didn't close the deal and you end up failing. So let's move on to the next one. Now, lastly is the follow-up process. I know this can be daunting. You don't want to feel like you're a pest. You don't want to feel like you're annoying. But there's no such thing. You want that child to enroll into your daycare. You need the client. You want to grow your business. This is what you need. So remove that, I don't want to be annoying, out of your mind. We have to be. We have to follow up at least 7 times. Not once, not twice. Oh, okay, I'm not going to call that parent no more. They don't pick up. No. I have seen that when I follow up 7 or even 8 times, that's when the client finally decides, oh yes, actually now is the right time for me to put my son into your childcare. So following up is very crucial. Have your staff follow up, have your team follow up, you follow up. So I hope this was helpful. Sales, training, follow up. You gotta sell it, train if needed, follow up. And let's lock the child in and build our enrollment. I'm Nekea. If you have any questions, call the number down below and I'll talk to you on the next one.